I hope you watched part 1 first. Now time for part 2. The LionChief Plus 2.0 Mikados. I was thinking about buying one of these. I really don't have a lot of LionChief Plus 2.0 steam. Last time they had a really good whistle, and I sure hope Lionel doesn't change the whistle because their whistle sounds awesome. So if you're gonna change the whistle, then shame on you, Lionel. The motorized TMCC cars. Too small for sounds, but big enough for TMCC. There's a mafia car, and if you look closely, it has bullet holes. There's also some cop cars on that same page. Maybe those cop cars are chasing the mafia car. Who knows? Then we got some 2 awesome cars on this page, like this LionChief controlled missile launching car. That sounds cool. Yeah, you can also launch the missiles with your remote. Then we have an animated welding car. Animated. The guy moves back and forth, and then there's an LED light to simulate welding. I'm also glad it's not just available in US Army. It's also available in Union Pacific and Pennsylvania. And of course, Lionel's making Area 51 stuff. There's a radar car with a rotating antenna. That sounds cool. The car on this page looks a little bit like Gravedigger. Then we've got some Star Wars stuff like a hopper car filled with kryptonite, and an oil tank meant to look like a Death Star. Then we've got a post-war style freight set, but I really don't like the type of electronics the locomotive has. Then we get the awesome battle train. American Defense GP38 freight set with Bluetooth 5.0. With a boxcar that can launch missiles at your annoying sister. And if you run out, there's a flat car with more missiles to launch at your annoying sister. Then there's a caboose with a gun on top to pretend to fire at your annoying sister. And a searchlight to shine at your annoying sister's eyes. This whole train will give you epic firing power against your annoying sister. Now time for some more LionChief stuff. Like these 264 steamers or 262 steamers. Geez, if New York Central really did have a steam locomotive like that, Pensy will give them a lawsuit. We only have a couple of Looney Tunes stuff. We only have a couple of NASA stuff. For Harry Potter, despite the fact that this year is the 25th anniversary of the first Harry Potter movie, the only piece of Harry Potter merchandise we get are these billboards. More Halloween stuff will for sure come out in time for this year, and the same thing can be said about the Christmas stuff. Then we've got a magic shop, which is just like this fireworks store, but it's a magic shop. And 2 tanks that, oh my god, cost $279. And all they do is light up. $279 for that? What the hell? They're not even blinking lights. I mean, what? Does it come with sound? Well, if you buy the $349 version, it will. This is such a ripoff. Such a ripoff. And that's it for the catalog. I'm thinking a Milwaukee Road S3 because both cylinder steam and a safety valve steam are awesome features, and it will be awesome to have them in one steam engine. and the Chicago and Northwestern Atlantic Steamer, because I used to live near former Chicago and Northwestern tracks. I think this is a great catalog. There's a lot of steam engines with a ton of features, and the prices didn't get much bigger.